It's mischief night. A big group of people decide they're going to do a prank on you. They're going to trespass onto your property. They're going to hop your fence, come into your backyard, and they're going to toilet paper everything. But one of them falls in a ditch that was in your yard and gets significantly injured. Can they sue you? Let's find out. A common question we get is, if a trespasser comes onto my property, falls into a ditch and gets injured, can they sue me? Well, not really a straightforward answer here. Let's take a look at the model civil jury charges in New Jersey to see why.
So one of the things they teach you in your first year of law school is how to do legal research. That's where you're going to get all the answers to all your questions as it pertains to the law. As a lawyer, what you are looking for is not only statutes and laws, but how those laws were interpreted by the local courts, by the local judges.
So it's important to understand that trespassers fall into two categories: adult trespassers and minor trespassers. And you're going to understand why that distinction is important, because there's different rules for both. An adult trespasser can only sue a property owner if they are hurt as the result of a willful action on behalf of the real property owner, meaning that real property owner set a trap for trespassers. They dug a ditch, covered it up, made it look like it wasn't a ditch, and a trespasser falls in and gets severely injured. Well, now they may have a claim. If it's simply an adult trespasser falling on a dangerous condition, they can't file a lawsuit. But if the owner purposely created something to injure or even kill trespassers, you may be on the hook if that person gets hurt. Now, let's take a look at if it's a minor trespasser, a little bit different. In law school, they would use the term attractive nuisance to describe what I'm about to talk about. If you have something on your property that is attractive to children, where you have reason to know that a child may purposely trespass on your property to utilize this thing. So let's use an example. It's an old, decrepit playground set. And you know that children in the area may trespass onto your property to use it. But you have reason to believe that that playground set is extremely dangerous because it's old and it's decrepit. Well, there's a legal analysis that's going to be done. And if the cost to you to remedy that dangerous condition is slight in comparison to the risk of injury to a child trespasser, you may be on the hook for the damages that are caused if that child trespasser is hurt.